Look what the kid gotta go, man. Yo, son. Hold on, we gotta get right, chat. I'm saying, I gotta get the skeezer. And then we out. I don't think I'm gonna videotape this ride because I know I'm getting soaked. You know what I'm saying? Oh, damn, chat. I don't know how we gonna do this, but let me. I mean, I might as well fucking record in the rain. Chat, let me get together. We gonna get back. You know what I'm saying? Oh, chat. Fuck out of here. We out there. So, got my shit in the right place. You know what I'm saying? Phone's going in the pocket. It's clipped. Phone's going in the pocket because. Fuck. I gotta get my gloves. It's on the outside. I ain't tripping on that. Let me get these gloves real quick. Chat, we gonna catch myself and shit. Alright, chat, it's getting a little wet riding. Like it, right? Chill. What this thing's doing in the rain. So we going chat straight to that tunnel. This is kind of dry down here, right? Saying, gotta get my wheelie practice in for the day. Fuck out of here. That's it. Get my wheelie practice in. The best idea, but who gives a fuck? Nah. I need to get my. It look like the rain is kind of slowing up. I know as soon as I get back out there, it's over with. Like. I gotta learn how to keep it going, like, cause it's just like stay still, not stay still, but it stays stagnant and just want to stop in the air. Little something, chat. I actually want to put this on my helmet. I want to put this shit on my helmet. What y'all think, chat? I think this is gonna be our best bet. You know what I'm saying? I think we got great positioning and all that shit, but y'all can kind of see the wheelie situation. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, I think this is the best camera view. You know what I'm saying? I like seeing my hands and the bike and my helmet kind of deal. So, and something is. Am I tripping? But like half of my light. We might gotta get a new light, chat. Fuck all that. Yeah. Bring that bitch up. I'm not chasing this bitch. Hold the brake. I gotta figure out like the pressure I need to put on the brakes. Why did this spin me around? Like, why did this spin me around, Chuck? It's like when I do that, when I use the brake, hold it. Oh, the race slowed up. What's going on, Bobby? Get a race load up. I gotta move more up in my seat. where I be practicing. This is really where I be practicing at, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Show a little overhead view. It's kind of cool, chat. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I feel like it becomes weak in the motor. I don't know. I think I gotta lean back and shit. I'm not really leaning back whatsoever. Damn near. I don't know. I gotta get used to the startle like OD. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how to balance this bitch and all type of shit, but it's like impossible. It's hard to balance, at least for me, how my feet drag, cause I don't know. I don't know what's happening. I don't know. I feel like it's not like my other throttle, to where I could just get that kind of instant power. I'll slide back up like motherfuckers be doing in their videos. Turn the camera with you. We doing alright, but we don't have the control we need. You know what I'm saying? Simple as such. We're not there yet. Power. Okay. I'm not trying to power it, but it's like I don't get that power to keep it up. Keep in mind, Chad, I'm on fire. My other throttle, oh yeah, we got that instant power right there. Not doing that while it's raining. We're on our way back though, Chad. Ugh, put my feet up. Man. I guess I could do this while I'm editing. I really don't need to do all that while I'm riding. Look at that rat. Y'all seen it? Oh, y'all probably didn't see that. Oh, why are we on a hill? They say it's easier. I tried to jump back up. Over my pretty much my SD card ran out, so you know what I'm saying? But let me try a different hand placement with this brake. I feel it's too far over, like I gotta yoink it. Say. Well, what's the word, chat? How's everybody day going? We about to head back to the crib. I already could tell Lorraine's about to be on one. You know what I'm saying? Let me take y'all by the water real quick. Yeah, let's go this way. Yeah, nice little park. It's a nice little park. Sand. Oh shit, never. Well, I was trying to put my foot down. Shit. I don't know, like I gotta hold on or something, like it's super. I don't know how to keep my lower half on this bitch, like, to walk. Like I feel like I can't bring it to balance point for that. You go like 5 feet. Oh, I'm smacking my bowels. Less than 10%. Alright, Chad, we only got 10% battery, so I'm gonna head home, you know what I'm saying? Well, I might ride a little bit more, but for y'all, I'm headed home, you know what I'm saying? So, chat, I appreciate y'all. Let's get another one. We got a good one. Definitely don't want to loop in the grass. Y'all see, chat? I have no control. Like, it just starts going, like leaning. Saying, and when it starts coming down, that's it. Like, that was a good one. But I do know, or it feels, you know what I'm saying, like I need to lean back. Simply said, you know what I'm saying? And I just gotta practice my balance on going left and right. But leaning back is definitely gonna be my key. You know what I'm saying? Leaning back is definitely gonna be my key, chat. But anyways, let's hit one more for the road, and then we out of here. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to drive my hips up, but I keep sliding back. That's my main issue, is sliding right off this shit. So I gotta move up and, saying, I don't know, chat. I just slide off. Saying, knocks a hell of water down my back. Alright, chat, that's the last one. That's the last one. We out here. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. You know what I'm saying? Supporting the channel. We got less than 10% left. You know what I'm saying? So we out of here. Yeah, take it easy, chat. I appreciate y'all. As always. I have my other battery on me. So, guess what that means? Haha, more riding. You know what I'm saying? Bring that bitch up. I can feel its balance point at minimum. You you're learning on keeping it up. I'm not really dragging my feet too much, like the tips of my toes here and there. I'm really trying to just balance it more than not. Yeah. We kind of getting it. Like this suspension is so bouncy too. And I'm on 2, by the way. I don't know if you can see it, but no, it's not showing up on the camera. It's not showing up. Yeah. You get it though, chat. Okay, I think I got the kind of where it needs to go. Ooh. Well, we got the brake. Okay. I just need to get more consistent, the feeling. Yeah. Damn. Shit. That's water. On land. Nah. Cool. Nah, under the parking lot. I'm gonna chill right here for now. I'm saying, I'm gonna chill right here for now. Okay, I'm getting the feeling. Finally, getting the feeling. So I kind of got to pre-game it in a sense. Am I tripping, chat? Or is that a... Can y'all see that wire? As long as that bitch ain't live, right? What's up, buddy? I think it's about to start raining again, so. See, I'm chasing. It's like I have to get it up, pause, and then immediately start. You know what I'm saying? I just try to hop back on it in a sense. Yeah. One day I'm gonna catch myself like this, and I'm gonna show you how I be sliding off. And y'all gonna be like, what the? Nah. Y'all gonna be like, scratch your cheeks or something. Ooh. Almost looked. Not really. I'm just trying to go in a fucking straight line, and I catch myself leaning. So I'm trying to figure out which way. Really. To the left, I think. More or less. What y'all think, chat? I feel like I'm leaning to the left more or less. But not really me per se. Yo, chat, if y'all only know how far I progressed. We actually got the wheel off the ground and shit, like, you know what I'm saying? Still gotta move a little bit back in my seat. Something like that. And then my butt is stuck. I'm trying to slide up, my butt is stuck. Alright, chat, we almost at the end of this road. Let's finish our song. I'm more or less bouncing like every time I brake. Ooh. Ooh. I gotta practice. Gotta find my brake spot. Man. Man, Dumpty. out. There you are. It's so weird, like the balance point for this bike. It doesn't feel weird or nothing. It's like just so weird. I don't know. I don't know if it's necessarily just like the bike. I think it might be like the I don't know. It's just me. Fuck all that. Let's get back home, chat. Yeah. I ain't gonna be the only dick start running all these fucking lights. Ooh. Yo, chat, we almost home. I ain't gonna lie.